Hey, what's going on? So hopefully this mic works and I'm on. As promised, whenever I buy anything new, I am going to share it with the group. And my latest is a GoPro Hero 9 Black. So I just ordered it online from GoPro themselves. And basically what's happened is that I thought it's best for me to get a GoPro. So anyway, let me just cut to the chase. Open up the box. The price I got for this was £380, and it's the Hero Black. It's in its case, and what I've got here is this camera, and it comes with its own you've got the action handle and you just clip it on. But the reason why I got the GoPro is basically when I'm out and about with the family or we're traveling and we want to be able to make good quality videos, it's quite cumbersome to take around my Canon. It's a M50 or EOS M50. Now, it's a mirrorless camera and it's smaller than its traditional DSLR cameras, but it's still clunky. This fits in the palm of my hand, right? And the great thing about this GoPro Hero 9 is not only do you have a screen on the back of it, you've got a screen on the front, so that when you're actually taking any videos or selfies or anything like that, or blogs, vlogs, what have you, you're still having a replay. Now the screen is considerably smaller than what's in the front, but it's still really good functionality that you have. I don't know how the onboard mic is for this. The reviews online says it's pretty good, but you can get a mod, some sort of attachment that you can actually have. I think the best thing for these is to basically have a wireless microphone. And you've got all sorts of accessories. This comes with 2 batteries instead of 1. I've got an additional battery and a supercharged set for that. You've got your handle. Now the thing is that I've got this rather than using my own camera on the phone. Reason being is because I don't know about anybody else, but I don't think the quality is as good and the stabilization is not as good. This has its own built-in stabilizer. It's really easy to move around and still have good quality videos. And what else can I say about it? You don't need like a gimbal or some sort of additional functionality when you do have on a phone. I think with a phone you still need a gimbal, but it's just, I like having things simple. This is simple for me, right? You have a case, it's got everything there for you, and you can do whatever you want. What else did I get with it? Well, let's see. I got this additional lens. I got additional batteries because when you're recording in 5K, you don't have to record in 4K anymore. 5K quality allows you to, it's better resolution. Everybody's pushing for better quality. This one is just a bigger lens, and with this lens, basically what happens is that it creates some sort of stability in this camera. Now, I'm sure you probably want some sort of review as to what the quality of video will be like and all this fancy stuff. There's so many of reviews online. I'm not going to bore you with mine. It would just be a repeat of everything. Just know that I bought this because of the reviews. Let's get in this box. If I started opening up the box, oh my goodness me, why is this? Took a little bit of effort. Anyway, ooh, looky. Has a nice little cloth. And it looks like if it's like an engagement ring sort of thing. Maybe I could go and prank Carlene. Say, here, look at what I got. And she thinks it's a ring and it's a lens. I didn't realize it came in like this. So anyway, this is just the additional lens for the GoPro. It allows you to take things at a wider angle than what it comes with default. Where is it? Let's see what the difference is in terms of the lens. The lens, I don't know if you can actually see that. The video is probably a little bit fuzzy. But yeah, the lens is significantly different. It looks as though that you can actually get a bigger wide angle rather than this one. So yeah, that's it. There you go. GoPro, doing the videos with this, more out and about. I always wanted to be doing more video and more pictures out, and you know, taking the Canon just wasn't doing it for me. So we've got this instead. I think in all, so this is £372. It comes with every single thing that you need. But of course I waited for the sale and I got all of this with it, along with all the mods and everything. And yeah, there you go. There you go, group. So upgrade for the GoPros, well worth it. See you soon.